Hi, I'm Chelsea, and today I'm showing you how to upgrade from the simple plan to our most popular plan, the business plan. The business plan includes more features like bulk cross-posting, analytics and CSV, and more channels to list your products like Instagram and Shopify. Step 1. Log in to List Perfectly. You can access listperfectly.com from any device, computers, phones, and tablets. Step 2. Click My Account on the main menu or in the top navigation bar. Step 3. Click Change Plan and select a new plan. List Perfectly automatically prorates your upgrade, so you're never overcharged. Step 4. Click Next to reinstall List Perfectly. Step 5. Select your browser. Step 6. Uninstall List Perfectly. Step 7. Now click Install List Perfectly to reinstall. Step 8. Click Add to Chrome, then Add Extension. Congrats! You've successfully upgraded your plan from simple to business. Got questions? We're here to help. Go to the main menu and select Contact Us.